Now, the reason I'm dropping this recipe today is one, because it's tasty, crunchy, and good. But two, a lot of y'all haven't been on track. You've been quarantine brunching. You're still eating off your kid, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend's plate. Then you have the audacity, yes, the audacity, to cook up macaroni and cheese, pork chops, fried chicken, oxtail, rice and peas, and cabbage. And do it while wearing your waist trainer. Sus, I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed in you right now. Because we said about June ago that it was going to be a new you, new year, new this, new that. And before you know it, it's going to be January 1st and you're going to be singing the same song, doing the same dance. So I'm going to do my due diligence to offer up some recipes to make this process a whole lot easier. And you know what that means? No excuses. None. So today we're going to be talking about crispy, crunchy bacon for some of y'all. Specifically, I know my brown people who can't let go of the pork. But this today is plant-based, okay? This is healthy for that tummy, that yummy. Let's get into it. You're going to be purchasing is from Whole Foods or any like supermarket that carries vegan products, and this one is by Sweet Earth. It's benevolent bacon, and make sure you go to the vegan refrigerator section so you get the right one. Ingredients you're going to need is red onions, yum honey, they make everything taste better, a avocado, I was about to say guacamole, a plum tomato or any tomato, and bread of your choice, wholly, white, whatever you like. Now you want to chop up your onions, chop. I like to use a lot of onions. It's totally up to you. I put a little bit of olive oil. I think I overdid it just a little bit. You don't need much. It is sticking a little bit. It's sticking. Now here's my bacon. It's a little crispy, but that's okay. I like a little crisp. I like a little crunch. And now I'm getting ready to put my onions together. I used a little bit of garlic salt because this stuff is strong. And I'm gonna throw my onions in. Right, so this is gonna be nice to go on top of my sandwich with the avocado and all of the things. This is completely optional, but you can toast your bread so it has a little bit of a crunch. I'm all about the crunch. You can use a little bit of vegan mayo or regular mayo and spread the avocado across your toast so it could be yummy. So this is the final product. I added the tomato on top of the bacon, and it's almost like a BLT. And it has all the crunch, the taste, the feels, honey, of bacon. And it's healthier. Now, that was simple enough to make. It wasn't real bacon. It's plant-based, and it's an alternative you can use in the morning to any steak you like to eat with your eggs, to any real pork bacon, to any turkey bacon. Now you don't have an excuse. If you wake up in the morning and you're like, you know what, I gotta taste like, damn, I know Ash said I can't have the bacon. You ain't got an excuse now. You could sizzle, crackle, and crunch on something plant-based. No more excuses. So if you guys would like some more recipes, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know. Your girl is bad. Like and subscribe. What it do?